Solar only versus solar plus battery, which saves more money? Stop right there. You might be saving less money with solar in 2026. Yes, seriously. Most homeowners think, just install solar and my bill goes to zero. But in 2026, net metering cuts plus new utility rules are changing everything. Here's the truth. Solar only equals saves money only when the sun is shining. But at night, you still buy expensive grid power. Solar plus battery? Now you store your own energy and use it during peak expensive hours. That's where real savings kick in. If your utility has time-of-use pricing or low buyback rates, battery storage can boost your savings significantly over 10 to 20 years. But if your net metering is strong, solar only can still work, so don't guess, calculate. Because the wrong setup could cost you thousands. Want the smartest solar setup for your home in 2026? Follow solarSME and explore smarter solar decisions today.